G'day trendsetters, I've got 2 of these Saxon kneeling pads and I dearly love them, but I just went down and bought 3 more because no matter how hard I try to put them back in the same place so as I can always find them when I go to look for them again, I can never find them. I spent 20 minutes walking around checking all the sheds, all the places where I normally put them this morning, and I can't find them. So the 2 just gone. So I went and bought 3 more, so I've now got 5 to lose. And I find nothing frustrating than not being able to find stuff that you know you got but you don't know what you've done with it. So there you go. But these little kneeling pads, these are just fantastic. They're only $3.98, so $4 each. 3 things I really do like about them. They save your knees on the hard paving and hard surfaces. Really great for that. Second is when your soil's wet, stops your knees from getting muddy and wet and cold knees, especially at this time of year. And the third one is basically just so you don't get muddied up knees or dirty knees in your pants. It's not a biggie, but when I was younger I didn't care, but now I'm getting a bit fussy in my old age. But there you go. That was my Saturday morning frustration. 3 more kneeling pads. I'll see if I can lose those over the next couple of weeks, and then hopefully I'll find the other 2 that I can't find this morning. Anyway, that's it. Cheers. Catch you later. Oh, planted a couple of cauliflower seeds. Hoping for great things from there.